look at the decentralized apps and their impact on the blockchain, right? So, welcome back to the series of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of dApps. And I'm Ashish, if you don't know, if you're watching this for the first time. So, let's begin with the basics. What exactly are the dApps? Let me share the screen before we jump into this. As usual, let me just share the screen. Yes, I hope you can see the screen now. Yeah. So, what I was saying, let's begin with the definition of the apps. So, what exactly are decentralized? The apps are the applications that operate in a decentralized network. If you see any application which is, again, I'll take an example of banking. So, if you have that application in a mobile app, so it will be controlled by the bank, right? Banking authority, that particular bank. So unlike traditional applications that are hosted on the centralized server, the decentralized apps work in the decentralized network, usually a blockchain. So blockchain is a backend of this. And the apps use a smart contract to execute the logic on the blockchain. One of the key characteristics of blockchain is their decentralized nature, which means there is no single point of failure. And this make apps the more resilient and less prone to the downtime. So that's a major advantage. Additionally, they are transparent since all interaction are recorded on the blockchain and providing all open auditable record, right? So let's see how the front end and back end looks. So next topic we are going to understand is what is the front end and back end in the decentralized app. So the front end refers to the user interface and user experience, while the blockchain involves the application logic. Right here, you can see there is multiple logic, and then whatever the business logic is there at the back end, and also the blockchain is there at the back end, and then smart contracts are executed by using the Solidity code. And then next is how the blockchain is involved in this thing. So, in a decentralized uh, front end, the application interface can be developed by as a web or mobile app running on user devices and reducing the reliance on centralized app. On the other hand, backend of the app is powered by smart contracts. That's what I have shown you, right? Backend on this thing is done by a smart contract, right? And it ensures that logic and state are maintained on the blockchain. Now, next is, as I said, we'll see what is the blockchain's how the blockchain is affecting the dApp. So this is the next part we are going to see, or the role of the blockchain. Blockchain plays a crucial role providing transparency, security, and trust in the dApp. Since all the data and the transactions record on the blockchain, so dApp become high level transparency, allowing the users to verify their actions, and security is enhanced to the cryptographic techniques of consensus mechanism. We have seen already, right? How the consensus there are multiple type of consensus mechanism, and it makes it extremely difficult for the malicious actor to tamper the dApps data and smart contracts. So trust is established in dApp because of the users can rely on blockchain integrity, eliminating the need to trust to the centralized authority. The next part we are going to see is what are the popular dApps. So here, I personally am using Trust Wallet. I have used that Trust Wallet, and others I'm not using much. But MetaMask also is one of the uh, important dApps. So these are some of the list. Maybe you can go and search on internet what are these dApps. With an emerging technology, there are challenges, opportunity in developing the dApps, right? But here are few of the things. In the financial sector, we have decentralized banking system, lending platform, and the gaming enthusiast can enjoy decentralized gaming platform. with use of non-fungible tokens. I'm also part of just to understand the things. I'm also a part of NFT gaming. I have spent some invested some money in that. And in the world of cryptocurrencies, we have decentralized exchanges or DX that allows the user to trade digital assets. So the one of the example here is, as I said, I'm personally using Trust Wallet. Even MetaMask is one of the things, and the crypto TA is also for the crypto. So these are some of the popular DM. Go and look into this. And next, we are going to see what are the challenges and opportunities in the decentralized applications. So there are challenges and opportunities in the development. One of the major challenges is scalability, as a blockchain may face limitation in handling number of transactions. On the other hand, the potential opportunities lie in the disruption of traditional industry by the apps. With increased adoption and improved technology, the apps can revolutionize multiple sectors and new levels of efficiency can be brought. So here are some of the examples. I hope you can see this. So some of the example, yeah. So these are mainly the challenges, as I mentioned: the energy consumption, scalability, and criminal connection. But the opportunities can lie in banking and finance, then supply chain and healthcare. All these can get affected and can use the blockchain as a backend, right? And then there can be a use of dApps for these new areas or the existing areas with a lot of new things which are coming in, right? So we have seen what is the dApps today. So that wraps up the day 9 for us. We hope you enjoyed learning about the decentralized application, their impacts on the blockchain. Stay tuned for the next thing. If you found this video useful, then please go and subscribe and like, right? Feel free to leave the comment, update for the next time, or I can improve myself, right? So tomorrow again we'll be there with another new topic. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.